Hello guys, welcome back to the Sports Show again. आज मेरे साथ है सिद्धार्थ रेगी and we will discuss the all-time Mumbai Indians 11. काफी interesting names हैं इस hat में, लेकिन हम देखते हैं कि where we actually stumble upon and which players do we think make it into the 11. So first things first is that there is no way a Mumbai team can be complete without the master blaster Sachin Tendulkar. He will definitely be there in our 11. उसके साथ opening में क्या लग रहा है आपको, कौन आ सकते हैं?
Yeah, I mean, Sachin self picks himself, especially because the major part of his IPL career was after he had his prime, and in fact, most of it after he retired.
Yeah,
So, considering that his both amazing IPL seasons, one where he scored 550 runs and one that amazing
yeah,
618 runs IPL, I think it was 13 and 14 if I'm not wrong,
yeah.
came after his retirement, and an amazing IPL career, for someone who was from his era. I think not many from his era come
In that bracket, I would say.
in that bracket. Yeah. So self picks himself. I think with him, Lendl Simmons
Yeah,
as the opening pair because came at a time when, as always, Mumbai Indians had lost 4 games on the trot
yeah.
and then turned the season upside down in 2014. So, uh, brilliant player he was.
London Simmons, for example, that was our ultimate replacement player. He was a replacement for everyone who could possibly get injured, and then he used to come and absolutely smash it in all parts. He was genuinely fantastic for us, and I don't think there was any opener I would rather pick but London Simmons along with Sachin. Number three, one player who is at Chennai Super Kings now, but a very useful player for Mumbai Indians, especially in the 5 or 6 years that he was here, played brilliant cricket, was Ambati Rayudu. I mean, can't look beyond him. His strike rate was amazing. The way he used to win games in key situations was just fantastic.
Yeah, surprisingly, not surprisingly, and funnily, the player that he made his breakthrough with, Saurabh Tiwari, is now in Mumbai Indians.
Yeah,
But Ambati Rayudu, we talk about Raina being the gel that holds
yeah,
CSK together. Ambati Rayudu was that kind of player for us. Held the batting lineup together,
yeah,
be it giving that kind of cushion to your explosive openers in the form of Dwayne Smith or Lendl Simmons, to giving setting up the stage for Pollards and Pandyas to come in and absolutely smash the ball out of the ground. So what
yeah.
a player he was.
What a player! And then we're going to talk about what a captain, because a five-time champion winner. Obviously, we are going to talk about Rohit Sharma at number four. Number four इसलिए because Rohit has played, I think, his best cricket at number four for Mumbai Indians. I think.
Well, if you had allowed me to pick Rohit Sharma twice in this lineup, I would have picked them at that opening position and at number four as well.
Fair enough.
Because what I mean, I'm just thankful for Rohit Sharma. Let's just put it that way. Because what a captain he's been for Mumbai Indians, and the reason why we are now considered as the greatest ever T20 team, I think 70% credit of that goes to Rohit Sharma for
Ma-
everything that he has done, not just bat.
Massive credit.
What a man he has been for Mumbai.
It's great that these players that we're going to talk about now, and I think we talk about Rohit as well, are still a part of the franchise. That shows how much these players have been key over the last 5 or 6 years for Mumbai Indians. Number five, I mean, the man who has seen the different shades of Mumbai Indians is Karen Pollard. I feel one of the players who मेरे हिसाब से कभी कभी लोग बोलते हैं बहुत नीचे आता है बैटिंग करने के लिए, तो मैंने उनको नंबर 5 पे ही पुट कर दिया, ले लो प्ले विद नंबर 5, because Pollard is someone who, I guess, since his first season, we reached the final when Pollard came in his first season, and since then we haven't seen a Pollard that hasn't won a game every season.
Absolutely. I remember watching that Rajasthan Royals game in Wankhede where I think we were 80 for 4. Ravi Bopara had played well for them.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
I think we were batting first. We were 80 for 4 or something, on our way to probably go ahead and finish at 150.
yeah,
Then comes Pollard, takes us to 180. So that's the kind of player that he has been,
yeah,
always helped Mumbai get those 30 extra runs that made all kinds of difference. And whenever he was asked to bowl or those unreal catches, unreal
Yeah,
fielding. I mean, what a complete package this guy has been in terms of showing Mitchell. Sorry, showing Stark his place with that bat swing, or those moments where he put that tape on his mouth. I mean, what a character he
yeah.
has been for us. Yeah,
Massive leader in the group as well, and fantastic
yeah,
stories. I remember the KKR game we watched together at Wankhede Stadium where Pollard was the final over to win us the game. So yes, Pollard has
yeah.
been quite a massive player for Mumbai. Probably one of the best players that the franchise has ever had. But coming to 6 and 7, the two Pandya brothers can't generally look beyond them because even though they are still playing, they're still young. They can still play for this franchise for the next probably 6 or 7 years. These two have been massive. Hardik Pandya has been massive. I think every season with the bat and the ball. His hitting abilities last year also we saw कि किस हिसाब से पांड्या he himself could propel the score by 15-20 runs more than what was the expected score. Krunal Pandya, the man who always steps up when the team is in trouble. वो भले वो 2017 का फाइनल क्यों ना हो, भले वो
Final. Yeah.
ऐसे मैचेस क्यों ना हो जैसे आरसीबी के अगेंस्ट था 2019 में इन बैंगलोर, इन 2018 एज वेल ही प्लेड रियली वेल अगेंस्ट देम. काफी बेहतरीन प्लेयर्स है दोनों विद बैट बॉल एंड नॉट टू फॉरगेट ऑन द फील्ड.
I mean, these three players, in fact, Pollard,
या
Pandya, and Hardik, I think these three have been the difference between Mumbai and all the IPL teams. And when we talk about these two players, Hardik and Kunal Pandya, uh, again, always stepped up for us. Always have stepped us for us. Be it with the bat, be it with the ball, be it in terms of fielding.
या
Krunal with, as you said, that 2017 final innings, it was a match-winning innings.
या
Hardik too, uh, for so many games. I mean, again, I'm just thankful for so many of these players. I can't tell you.
I mean, yes, these players have been so crucial from turning Mumbai Indians into a franchise that almost won the IPL to a five-time champion team, and they are genuinely deserving to make this 11. Talking about another guy, the off spinner, the Turbinator, Harbhajan Singh, definitely just again one of those players who's seen it all at Mumbai Indians. He's seen the initial phase. He was captain of the team as well at some point of time. He used to bat at number three and come in and score runs, and from there bowl some lovely overs. He still bowls some lovely overs, and he's been a massive, I think, statement of intent by Mumbai Indians since day one. And his figure, just the way his popularity has gelled along with the fantastic performance. Harbhajan is one of the most influential MI players that we've had over the years.
Absolutely, definitely not a player who should be bowling one over in a match. But again, had sorted our spin department for the longest time. You know,
Yeah,
uh, a great leader as well. Remember the Champions League season, was it the Champions Trophy season when
definitely.
we won it under him,
Yeah,
did we? So again, a man of all seasons has been there, kept his uh, place in the team intact throughout this period. Where whether it
yeah,
was of failure or of success. Then also bowled in the delivered in the power play, delivered in the middle overs as well, and delivered at the end as well.
yeah,
Never has he. I think his economy rate is below 7
yeah.
in the IPL. And in that case, always took wickets and kept his economy rate in check.
Yeah, and I don't think I will ever forget that 49 that he scored very famously. That was another one of Harbhajan Singh's special innings, I would rather say. Coming at the next batsman, obviously मुझे सिर्फ ये player ना काफी under the radar जा चुका है in all of these successful years that Mumbai has had. But to dig him out has been quite a pleasure, Mitchell McClenaghan, because जब भी हम star players की बात करते हैं, maybe he goes under the radar, but his contribution over all the five title years, I think at least four of them, has been absolutely immense.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at his statistics, barring the last season,
Yeah,
uh, I think he's taken around 70 wickets in 50 matches.
yeah,
I might be wrong, a bit wrong here and there. But that's an amazing record for someone who wasn't a strike bowler for the longest time. He
Yeah,
has 4 seasons where he has picked close to 15 wickets. I
yeah,
was surprised actually because this player had got such so unnoticed
yeah,
because of the other players that we're going to list down later.
yeah.
But what amazing contribution, man! Honestly,
Absolutely. Mitchell McLennan has been top class. He's hit a couple of sixes when he's needed as well. And bowling, being the first change bowler and being the bowler at the death, McLennan का impact I guess Mumbai Indians fans should always remember him. और 10 नंबर पे बात करें तो I mean Lasith Malinga probably if there was a Hall of Fame probably one of Mumbai's greatest ever players, probably the greatest player that the Mumbai Indians franchise has produced over the years. Death bowling, opening the bowling, trying to take key wickets in key games जैसे कि IPL 2019 का फाइनल जिसमें उन्होंने शार्दुल ठाकुर का विकेट लेकर फाइनल जिताया था. The game where it defined Malinga in a nutshell, how brilliant a bowler that he is. The Malinga chants over the years to Wankhede Stadium, the stadium used to absolutely bounce off that energy. A player who is loved so much in, especially in Mumbai. Lasith Malinga definitely has to be in every IPL all time this season.
I mean, absolutely, man. If we're talking about a player, who has stepped up again and again for Mumbai across a period of 10 years, no other, I mean, very little other IPL players have that kind of longevity. 4 seasons where he has picked 20 plus wickets, including 28 in one in 2011, stepped up in all at all times, at the beginning, in between, and especially at the death. You know, I think his Yorker is still the most unplayable delivery, T20 delivery, right? And one more bigger favor that we as a country, the whole of India have, is teaching Bumrah that art. You know, because boy, how the torch has been passed.
Absolutely, the baton has been passed by Lasith Malinga to Jasprit Bumrah in terms of the Mumbai Indians. And Bumrah is the final player to make it out to our 11 because जैसे हमने बात किया when he started with that wicket of Virat Kohli back in the day. After that, Jasprit Bumrah's rise not just for the Mumbai Indians, but probably for the Indian cricket team as well. That rise has been so beautiful to watch. मुंबई के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट डेथ बॉलर, ओपनिंग बॉलर, मिडिल ओवर्स बॉलर जैसे मलिंगा है. I think he's become exactly that kind of a player now for Mumbai Indians and a massive
Not just for Mumbai.
not just for Mumbai, for India as well. And probably he will still remain the franchise as one of the most important players in the next 6 or 7 years to go. So just tells you a lot about why Jasprit Bumrah is in our all-time Mumbai Indians 11 because he's done it before and he still will be doing it in the next 5 or 6 years.
I mean, Prathamesh, what a story it has been, right? When we first saw Bumrah, uh, we were wondering what is it so special about him.
What is that
I
acting?
think I think he has been he has impressed the most while being the
Yeah.
most unimpressive bowler. So I mean, again, what a story it has been from someone who got that opportunity and obviously wasn't favored because of his action by many to today
Yeah.
becoming India's most important bowlers and might as well go on to become India's best ever bowler,
Yeah.
best ever fast bowler. You
Yeah.
know, I, what a story it has been. I mean, Jasprit Bumrah, I think, is inseparable
Yeah.
for Mumbai Indians. Then there are a couple of, in fact, all 11 of them right now are inseparable. That's just we make that clear. But this guy, I mean, I hope he never has to leave Mumbai Indians because what an asset he is.
What an asset, and I'm pretty sure that the Mumbai Indians management will make sure that him, Rohit, and Hardik, especially in the upcoming seasons, are never left to go at all. Having said that, it is still a little sad that all of these 11 are not still playing together because watching them together actually in action has been absolutely gold. Thank you, Sid. This is our all-time Mumbai Indians 11. Do check into the Sports Ahead to follow all our video content everywhere else, and we will see you soon.